Well, it looks like Toonie Piggle may have tried to sleep out here last night to be closer to Pork Chop. Bless them. They're so cute. Oh, good morning. There's cat food in their bowl. But Pork Chop did sleep in the pig house. I saw him. Toonie's out here. I'm sorry, there's a cat like screaming at me. We got Fern a vet appointment for this afternoon, so that is what we're gonna do today, is take her and hopefully get this cough taken care of. Just wanna rule out that it's not something like bacterial or something that the other goats could get. Did you make a nest out here? That's not the point. Well, good morning, Pork Chop. Good morning. So we're gonna take her, see if we can get this cough taken care of. I don't think it's any big deal. I think it's probably just throat irritation, but I'm hoping that our vet can at least give me some guidance on how to make it better for her, because I do think she's pretty uncomfortable. It's a little frosty this morning. It really didn't get, it's not too cold. So I may try to work on getting these feeders hung up. I hung this one too high. Nobody has partaken in the nice fresh minerals that I put out, but it's a little bit too high. So I need to cut my shims and lower it down. Let's get these guys some breakfast. Ready for breakfast? You ready? All right. Kitty is loud. I did want to tell you guys that if you're interested in spring babies, to make sure to shoot me an email or a direct message on Instagram so that I can get your name on the list. I already have a few people on the list. And if you're interested in does or bucks or wethers, we'll offer all of our boys as registered bucks if they're adequate. And then if we don't sell them that way, we will sell them as wethers. So make sure, I've already got I think 2 people on the list for does, 1 person on the list for pet. So make sure that you guys have reached out and let me know. Or if you're interested in Billy, still haven't heard from his people. So I think I'm probably gonna list him here pretty soon. Hello. We've changed up the order of everything. I don't know how this is gonna go. I have a feeling not well for the first couple of days until everybody gets kind of settled. Pork Chop, come here, buddy. Luke, come on, bud. Luke. I realized yesterday when we were over at the other house, I have 1 more of those bigger black bowls, and I tossed it in the back of Jeremy's truck. I forgot to grab it last night. But Toonie can upgrade. She can upgrade her bowl to a bigger bowl, which will be good. Girls, it's time to come out. You ready? Huh? You come out for the day? Nope. Oh, we're gonna fight. Non. We coming? Mom needs to go inside. Come on, baby. No. Oh. I'm like, you don't have a scoop. Why would I come down there? You gonna have a nice day? Gonna be sweet to each other? Here, Fern. Her cough actually has been better the last couple of days. Like, I've not really heard her coughing as much. But she just still looks like she's really sore and uncomfortable. I think it'll be good to go today and just rule out that anything's majorly wrong, or if something is wrong, be able to treat it. Okay, girlies. She's in here eating up a storm. Eating and coughing. Alright, so we're getting ready to take Fern to the vet. Probably not gonna film at the vet, but I'll film when we get home and tell you what happened. I'll put a collar on her. I'm gonna just put her on a leash. I'm gonna carry her to the car, but that way there I have her on a lead. And try to just put her in my front seat on some towels instead of putting her in this ginormous kennel. This should be easier. I think it'll be less stressful for her. She's already pretty not pleased. She has acted like she's felt better today. She's been running around and playing, coughing less. She gets winded, so she runs a little bit and then she'll stop. And then she runs a little bit and she'll stop. So she found something to jump on. Yes. I'm gonna leave here in just a minute. We are. I mean, I should have put you in the kennel. I think you're a little bit more lively than I thought you would be. We need to go for a ride. You can go for a ride. Yeah. You want a cookie? How this goes. Probably a disaster. We're only going about 10 minutes down the road. I'm hoping that this will be okay. She does sound pretty congested, so I'm hoping we get some antibiotics and our girlfriend will feel better. We survived. Definitely have some fluid in her lungs. We're a little bit raspy, so Dr. Baxley gave us some antibiotics and then some Banamine, just an anti-inflammatory, to help her feel better. And she did really good. We weren't there very long. A couple of shots and on our way, they had a cute baby donkey in there that was not feeling very good, but it was very cute. All right, let's go find Mama Goat. Oh. Can we bump your head? That's okay. Fern, come on. Come on, Fernie. Are you gonna come or are you gonna make Mama carry you? Come on. Come on, let's go this way. Mom doesn't want to pull you. You don't feel very good. I think she enjoyed being in that warm car. It was funny. She got in there, she just laid right down. Was all snuggled up in her towel. You and the best behaved goat in the car. Yes. Yeah, was a good goat, Mom. Okay, I guess I'm gonna have to carry her out. Are you hiding? Are you afraid you have to get more jobs? Well, she was happy to see Pixie. Dr. Baxley gave us some Banamine for the next 2 days. She said it would probably take 48 hours for that stuff to really start to break up in her lungs, and for her to really start feeling better and that cough to kind of start getting better. Banamine will help her not feel so sore too. It's kind of like, it's a painkiller, just like an Advil would be. Here she is. She should start feeling better soon. She's real worked up, but she's really been better today. Overall, I think, just more active. I think she's just a little bit worked up now. We'll keep an eye on her, and they're gonna call and check on her. So. She's still not running fever, but definitely had some stuff in her lungs. We kind of talked about, could it have been that dry feed? I can't really know, but hopefully she'll start feeling better here pretty quick. She's gonna take a rest. Talking to Mama. Can't quite get comfortable. Oh! Well, that's new. You gonna headbutt me eat dinner and check on our Fernie. She went back out and was eating with everybody like she's been doing. Instead of ending the video tonight, I am gonna do some more check-ins since it's Monday and this is Friday's video. I'm gonna have some more like time than I would normally. She's crying. Yes, ma'am. Why are you yelling? I don't know why she's yelling. I don't like that she's doing that. She hasn't been doing that. She hasn't run fever. We'll feed them and see if she eats. It may just be the antibiotic and the anti-inflammatory and riding in the car and getting all shook up. She normally doesn't make a lot of noise, so I don't really like that she's making a lot of noise, but she's acting totally fine. Well, she's very excited about eating, and her tail wagged, and that's the first time I've seen her tail wag in a bit. So maybe that Banamine kicked in, she feels better. Also, look who showed up today. Guys, I haven't seen her like in person. Like I said, I've seen her on the camera in a week. I know she's here, she's under the deck, but like this is the first time she showed up to eat things in a while when I've been outside. It's very warm today. So you can see here she is, she's eating. I know you probably couldn't see her before on the whole group view, but she's eating, her tail's wagging, and it may be that she's just feeling better and she's talking. She's not been a vocal goat before, so let's take that as a good sign. Always, any changes in goat behavior always like totally stress me out. And that's been the thing with her, is her behavior has not changed at all. That's why I haven't really worried as much, especially since we've had that really dry feed, which in talking with the doctor, that was kind of, she didn't really feel like it was pneumonia, more than she just had some fluid in her lungs. You know, it's causing that cough, but worth the antibiotic for sure to help get rid of it. She's not running fever, so you'd think with infection fever, but she's not. But maybe with some of that really dry feed we had a few weeks ago, that everybody was hacking and coughing it up, that she kind of inhaled some, got sick. This has just been the progression. Like, it got stuck, she couldn't get rid of it, and so now it just got in her lungs and irritated. Come on guys, it's dinner. Everything is fine. Mom's gonna come feed you, pork chop. Mom's coming to feed you. Pork chop's runny nose is better. I love this little goat. You guys know that have been with us since last spring. Had no intention of keeping this goat. She was so funny in the car. She was just so chill. She's like, okay, this is what we're doing. Which is funny because her mom does not have that personality, neither does her grandmother. She very much is like Luke, just very chill and laid back. Do one more check on everybody. Everybody's mean, aren't they, Fern? And now you got a pretty blue collar that matches Mama Goat. It was Daisy's old collar. Too small for Daisy, perfect for Fernie. Do a little Fernie update. Jeremy's been home all day and been checking on her. So it's been about 24 hours for the antibiotic, and she's had another dose of Banamine this morning. When we got up this morning, I did not like the way that she looked. I was a little concerned that she was worse yesterday morning than she had been. So I've had Jeremy coming out and kind of checking on her periodically during the day. Come on, Fernie! Come on, Fern! She's holding her tail up, which she hasn't done, but she's definitely not in a hurry. She ate breakfast this morning. She was just moving a little slow. I let her eat her own breakfast, so I locked her up and gave her her own food. for 10-ish minutes. Still coughing, but Baxley said, the doctor said that she would do that for the next couple of days at a minimum, because she would have to start getting some of that out of her lungs. Out here eating, which is what I want. I would rather her be out, especially because it's warm and dry, than to be cooped up in the barn where there might be more moisture. If she's feeling good enough to get out and eat, then that's what she needs to do. And she probably eats more because she's out and she's happier. So that was kind of my logic with not pinning her up. If she wasn't eating and she was just coming out here and like laying down and not doing anything, then I probably would have locked her up with hay and feed to just try to get her a boost in nutrition. What I am gonna do for her right now is give her some Nutri-Drench. Hello. Did Mom say, Pepper, please crawl on me? Didn't, but she'll take it. Oh, so sweet. Hey, Mom, I don't really like you anymore. Okay, it's okay. This tastes good. Make sure it's going here. Here we go. Let's just give a couple pumps. Yeah, let's give a couple pumps. Just break all that junk up. Not a fan. Although this one would drink the whole bottle. I know, the Nutri-Drench is supposed to taste good. We'll give her a few more pumps tonight when we give her her Banamine. She's got about 2 more hours. I gave it to her about 6:30 this morning, so Dr. Baxley really said that we needed to give her a good 24 hours with that Banamine and a good 24 hours with the antibiotic. I'm pleased that we're not worse. The cough is really better. It doesn't sound as aggressive. She's up and she's eating and she's doing goat things. I would like to see her a little peppier. And it's gonna take us a while, but she needs to put some weight back on for sure. Everybody's a little bit thinner at the moment because they're not eating hay, they're eating lots of grass. Did you do something bad? Probably.